Okay, just so you believe me, this is the inside of the front seat. It's difficult, but it's doable. Once you get it out, or once you loosen it, you can get it out with your hands. See? Alright. I actually took the front seat off because I need to troubleshoot some electrical problems too. Alright. Now all you do is after you remove those two bolts, you remove this one as well. Take this piece back here, the spring and the shaft, and you just pull on it and wiggle it around until it comes loose. It can be wedged in a little bit because the boot might catch it, or there's this little metal piece right here, this plate. It can get wedged inside there. Just shake it around and you can get it out. All right. Don't forget to put the end of that cable through, and now you have the piece out. See? Now all you got to do is a replacement, which I got at Pig and Pull because I wasn't able to really find these cables online. Once you replace this cable, you got to put it back up in there, realign the bolts again, and screw the bolts back in. Careful when you remove this cable. If you depress this switch right here, the shaft will actually eject, and you can actually hurt yourself because it's got a little bit amount of tension in there. I'll show you just to see what I'm talking about. Man, I can't even do it with my hand. Maybe I can do it. It's kind of hard with this phone in my hand. I need to set the phone down. Okay. I can't do it. It's under so much tension that I can't even push it with my thumb, which is why I say be careful with this, because this whole shaft will come out with the spring and everything. I'm gonna replace this. These zip ties are necessary. You need to put at least one big zip tie back on to hold this piece in place. Otherwise, all your work of replacing this will be futile, because eventually this piece will actually slide out. So I'm gonna put this together, and then oh, one other tip: when you're putting this unit back in, leave the shaft out. So you want to take the shaft out by depressing that. Just do it in a direction where you're not in front of it, and then you can align it up inside the actual unit. This plate right here can be a little bit of a pain because it likes to get wedged, but it's still doable. Alright, don't forget to like if you like this post.